So a very important space through the house was to find a space for the kids to play around and just be kids, right? So then we designated the playroom, and it's right next to the entry. A space that has a lot of windows, skyline, so I really loved it because a lot of lights for the kids to play around, to do their art and craft, to watch TV. So this is a very spacious area where we were able to allocate the TV area with some swivel chairs for them to relax and watch some cartoons, some TV. Also a table where they can do some arts and crafts, where they can set up their Legos and play around. And also some open space so they are able to hang out with their friends and their family over. Also, we wanted to make sure that we had some storage space where you can just open the door, have adjustable shelvings, baskets with all their toys, their kids, and then, the day's over, they're done playing, we just close the doors, and everything looks very organized and clean.